Have you ever met such types of people who spoken to you that my age is enough, I cannot do anything now, I cannot take any action? Have you ever met such types of people? Have you ever interacted such types of people who used to say that this in this life, yeah, in this age nobody can do anything? Did you meet such types of people who always blame, complain, criticize, crip? So if you met somewhere, you are interested with that people, somewhere you have been attracted with that environment, somewhere these kinds of seeds are also present in your life, in your mind. So let me tell you today, if you have such types of question in your mind, if you think that my age is over, I cannot do anything, so this video is especially for you, and this video will help you to come out of your all these bad and old mindset and old boundaries. So hello friend, this is Surya, motivational speaker, Lawofattraction coach and Hooponopono healer. My today topic is, it is never late to start new life. It is never late to start new life. Yes friend, if you think that I am not able to do anything new, if you think that nobody will hire me as an employee, nobody will help me, or nobody will support me start my new business, so you are thinking wrong. Why? Because I would like to give you some example. Yeah, I know that you will have some questions, and also you will have some idea. These people are lucky, I'm not so lucky. Here I'm not going to talk about luck. Luck means if you don't do anything, but you are still sitting, something comes in your way, or something comes in your life and you become a rich. This is called luck. Luck does not mean that you go and hard work, you go and meet people, you go and share your experience, share your knowledge, share your ideas. People rejected you, even you keep doing that thing. That is called hard work. That is not called luck. So today I would like to share three powerful formula. The formula which changed many people's life. It's now your number. It can change your life too. The first and most powerful formula is, your past does not define your future. Yes. If you think that in past you have failed many times, if you think that in past there were so many setbacks in your life, if you think that in past there are so many challenges, they have broken you, if you think that in past you have lost so many businesses, in the past you have got so many rejection, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. If you hold your past experience, if you hold your past your past challenges and your past failures and your past setbacks, so can you grow? No. If you want to grow, so first leave all the past behind and start new life. How? I would like to give you an example. Once upon a time there was a boy, and his father wanted to teach him better, give him a better life, but his father age was 45-year-old, and his father was exhausted. His father was completely frustrated, and he keep on complaining that I didn't do anything worthwhile for my family, I didn't do anything worthwhile for myself and for my society. One day he met a old man. He was a very brilliant person. When he met him, he shared his story. When that old man heard his story, he began to say that, my dear, I would like to give you an example. This example can help you to understand your complete life. He said, suppose you are reading in class 9th. After 10 days, you are going to enter in a class 10th, but your notebook has already finished. Now you have need one notebook because you have to write 15 days. And you purchased one notebook, and you have written only 10 pages in that notebook, and that notebook had 300 pages, and you have completely written 10 pages. What will you do when you go to the class 10th? What will you do? Will you throw that copy? Yeah, will you wrap the 10 page and you start new lesson, a new chapter with that copy? What will you say? He said, I will wrap and I will start new. He said, the same way, whatever life you have wasted, it was best, it was past, now you start your new life. And when you start your new life, you will get a new experience of life. Same way, if your past was bad, it's okay. If your past was challenging, it's okay. If you are failed in a past, it's okay. But today you have a future. Today you have a present. You start your present, you bring your future bright. You make your future bright. Second important point. Age is just a number. How many of you heard about Colonel Sanders? How many of you heard about? Colonel Sanders went bankruptcy. When his hotel was bankrupt, he didn't have money. He didn't have a support. He didn't have a family support. He didn't have anything. But he had two things. What was that? He had $105 and another he had a secret recipe of chicken, and he started with those powerful, those powerful things. 105 dollar and secret recipe. He went many people, he went many restaurant. 1000 restaurant rejected him. At the age of 65 he started. 1000 restaurant rejected him, but he kept going, kept meeting, kept talking, kept sharing. One restaurant ready to accept his proposal, and today you see KFC is one of the world largest fast food chain in the world. How it is possible? Because he made it possible. That's why it is a possible. So age is just a number. And third, every new day is every new beginning. If you start your new day with new ideas, so one day your life will change. You will have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your ideas, because people just see the challenge and they run away. Are you also in that categories? If you see the challenge and no, I can't do this, I can't handle it, don't do like this. Start with new day, start with new energy, start with new courage, and you start and you see result will be magically amazing. So you always start new day with new ideas, with new, with new mindset. Whatever was happened, it was just a past. And if you are more aged, age is just a number. You start your day with new ideas, new planning, and new enthusiastic, new energy. One day you will see there are so many changes in your life. Let me tell you something more. I know that challenges comes because it is natural. It's really natural. If you start anything new, challenge will definitely come. So if you see that there is any mistake, if there is any problems or any challenges, failures, or any lost in your business, or any rejection in your life, don't be panicked, dear. This is a life. Suppose if you go on the stage, you didn't see any challenge, you didn't face any problem in your life, what will you tell to the people? कि मैंने स्टार्ट किया और मैं सफल हो गया? No. Challenge means create one beautiful story, create one beautiful life. When people will ask you, how did you get success? So you can tell them that what went through.